President Aquino has expressed satisfaction with the response of concerned government, agencies, and LGUs to disasters. At the same time, the President said several areas in Metro Manila, floodwaters have begun to subside. This report.
President Aquino is satisfied with the response of concerned government agencies to rain spawned by Tropical Storm Maring. President Aquino says instructions have been given, including the evacuation of residents in affected areas.
There are no fresh instructions. Instructions have already been given from the start, from the very first storm that we had to encounter. And in fairness to the agencies you mentioned, MMDA in particular, kagabi pa sila naglilinis ng mga trash. Sorry, nandito rin yung report ni Chairman Tolentino kung gano'n na karaming tonelada ang natanggal nila. Yung paglilikas ng ating mga kababayan na nasa danger zones. Testigo naman kayo na nag-umpisa na po ito. Naapektado na San Juan River, dinala na sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. At mas paratag na yung lumina dito sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Yung second group is ongoing dito naman sa side ng Quezon City, affected by the San Juan River. Yung Marikina, kausapnan si Mayor Del de Guzman kahapon, sometime between 8 and 9, nagano na sila, first warning na, at mukhang ready na sila na sa pagbaksak nitong maraming tubig dahil sa kasalukuyang ulan.
The President adds Pag-asa has not been remiss in its duty to give warnings. The Chief Executive is aware the floods are brought about not just by rain but also by high tide.
Red rainfall advisory Pag-asa kagabi, ito raw dito 7.5 millimeters per hour, dito 30 millimeters within 1 hour, or if rainfall has continued for the past 3 hours and is more than 65 millimeters. So, sa daming ulan na bumaksak, na dahil doon sa bagyo humahatak o nag-enhance yung monsoon, talagang bumuhos na gusto lahat ito. At yung low-lying areas kagabi pa lang, binibigyan ng mga kakulangang babala. Hindi lang sa NCR, pati na rin sa Region 4A at saka Central Luzon, plus portions of Logan.
President Aquino personally witnessed the situation in Metro Manila. His convoy traveled from the palace to Quezon City to attend the Pambansang Kongreso sa Wika in Ateneo.
Yung report sa akin kanina, kaliwat kanan ng mga bahay, dinaan ako yung mga karsada, hindi naman kasi sama kagabi. So, hindi naman natin sinabi mawawala lahat itong bahang ito. Yung may kailangan talagang puntahan, yung dami ng tubig na bumabagsak.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.